like them. It sucks me out of doing like them.
Hi guys. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb. And yes, I did a thing. I highlighted it in pink, but it's a little dark, so it'll fade with time. But then I added lip stain, and trust me, it was darker than this. And I haven't decided, do I look like a corner hooker or do I just look breast cancer ready? But anyhow, I did. Another thing I did is I went and resubscribed to Ipsy. I hadn't for so long because, quite honestly, I preferred glossy box, but they're gone. So I went ahead and did this. This is my new shirt from Temu. It says, "Assuming I'm just an old lady was your first mistake," but I really don't like the way it fits. I think it's a little large. So if you get this shirt, you might want to order it smaller. Oh, and guess what else happened to me? I was at Odd Lots the other day, and somebody recognized me from my channel. Some lady. She was sweet as she could be. Me, I was so thrown because nobody's ever done that before. I didn't get her name, so hey, if you're on here, let me give you a shout out. Thanks, I appreciate it. Of course, my friend teased me all day. She had one superstar all day. It was quite fun though. And it's kind of exciting, I gotta admit. Anyway, so this is Octorber, and I know I'm a little late to the game, but I thought I'd bring it anyway because I was just a late resubscriber. Now, I didn't resubscribe to BoxyCharm. I haven't done that yet because I have been waiting for them to get their shit together since they took that over a year ago. And so I'm just still waiting. Still waiting. And anyhow, outside the bag, you had a brush. You have a brush. I don't see a name on it. Well, here it is. I knew there should be one. And this is a concealer brush, and it's... I can't read the name on it, but it's a concealer brush, you know. Or you can use it for a blender brush for your eyes. You can use it for whatever you want. It's your brush. Oops, I know I just have glasses back in here. Oh well. But this is the bag this time. Really cute, isn't it? The funny thing is, the day after it arrived, a friend of mine's little sister said, "Anybody has this bag, I want it. I've been looking everywhere for it and can't find anybody that has one." So I'll probably end up giving it to her for Christmas. She's she's kind of goth. She has been her whole life. Anyhow, there's a back zipper on it. Zipper pull. It's a little bat. I can't get the plastic off to show you. Wait a minute. I think I got it. Wait a minute. So she'll probably get this because she only had one child. And she sees her, regularly, but both her parents are gone. So she just... But anyhow, and this is like a velvet. It's really pretty. Look at... It's probably the prettiest Ipsy bag I've ever seen, quite honestly. Okay, inside you still have your card with what's in your box. Oh, this is a half-caked concealer brush. Now I have it. Let's see. Okay, it's half-baked, and it's an $11 value. Just over here in my pile. Put this on my lap. There we go. Yeah, that brush was... Start here. Now, the brush was... It's half-baked, and it's a value of $11. I can put them where I can reach them later. And then Perfect Legs Body Butter from This Works. It's a mood-boosting body moisturizer with geranium and sweet orange. I'm trying to make sure you can see it because it's mostly white and makes it hard. There you go. Cover up my face. There you go. I shall open this. Let me see. That is the consistency, just so you're aware. Put it on the skin. Sometimes you smell it better when you put it on your skin. Oh, it smells really good. I couldn't smell it here, but I can smell it here with the heat of my body. And you can definitely smell the geraniums, but it's not overpowering, but it does smell very good. And that is valued at, let's see, for 200 mLs is $37, and this is one. So, okay, whatever. Then we got KENSIE Berry Beauty, which I do like getting different scents in these. Let's see, how much was this? This was, full size of this is 100 mils, and it's $85. Let's try this on the other hand. Just a minute. Just a minute. There it goes. Get the alcohol out. Let me try it on the paper. Ooh. Now there's a big spray to it. I don't know if you can see that shine, but there's a big spray to it. So you kind of got to go light-handed. Smells good. This juicy fragrance perfectly encapsulates the essence of pure happiness. The luscious blend of mixed berries and peach nectar creates tantalizing aroma that delights our senses with delicate floral undertones. Tip, spray on pulse points like your inner wrist, necks, and ears. Yeah, because I can imagine if you put, see, I usually put mine on my clothes because it makes it last longer. But I think if you did this full force, you might just knock a man down. It's fairly strong, which is good in these little small things. And the full size is 100 ml, and that's $55. And this is, I think they said one. Let's see if I can see it anywhere on here. Of course, it doesn't say. Oh, there it is. Yeah, it's 1 ml, I think. So there's that. But I do like. No, it's 10 ml, which is a good size for a sample. I mean, it's not full size, but it's 10 ml. That's a good size bottle. So it's about a third of the regular bottle. So it's got a value there. I'll do the math and put it on the screen because I know a lot of people like that. But my math is just not mathing today. Usually I can look at it and bam, bam. And this is ANASTASIA Beverly Hills. And it's Lash, Sculpt, Lengthening, and Volumizing Mascara. And there is your wand. And it comes in black. Of course, it's got the A at the bottom. And all the other stuff at the other bottom. But it's mascara. It's black mascara. It's ANASTASIA Beverly Hills. So, you know, it's got some value to it. Which I would say this is a deluxe sample. The full size is $28. Which I don't mind getting deluxe samples of mascara or lipsticks and things like that. Because, okay, then lastly we got, what the heck is it? Oh. REINA REBELDE. And it's blush. And this is a deluxe sample. This is another thing I don't really mind getting the sample size. And this is the color, but it's not coming off as red, is it? Let's see if I can change this tone. So I normally have it wrong. It's like, no, that's still not bringing it out. That's still not. But that's the tone of it, but it's actually darker. If you hold it back here, you get closer to the tone, actual tone. But I will swatch it, and that's the tone of the blush. So yeah, it's a usable color, even for me. If it was any more orange, I would more or less give it to my mother. But yeah, that was this month's October Glam bag. Had pretty good value on it. And our big holiday plans. You're invited to our big holiday plans. Says the Advent calendar comes out on the 9th of October, which it should have already done. The Mega Drop Shop already dropped on the 9th and the 10th. The Glamorous Gifts, we've got gifts for every price. 8-day holiday calendar. Unpacked April day full-size gifts from Kate Somerville, and that comes out the 6th of November. Black Friday sale is the 23rd to the 25th, and the Cyber Monday sale is the 26th through the 28th. And they both say shop early, so I don't know. And then here in the corner it says our holiday shop continues through December. Scan now to shop before the best deals are gone. So, I don't know if you want to scan it on your phone. I'll leave it up there long enough for you to pause it. So, yep, that's that. So, I did start them back. And if I see they're starting to get their crap together with the box, I will start it again. But they've had shipping problems. They've had getting problems. And so I'm just kind of waiting. Oh, I finally got that all the way off of that. See, a little bat. But they've had shipping problems. You name it. They've had it with just that. So I don't know what the deal is, because they're still doing good with Ipsy. So anyway, come on back. Join us. You know the routine. And we're getting higher and higher. Thanks for all the support. I love y'all. I appreciate it more than you will ever know. And if you ever see me out, please come up and talk to me, because it really made my day. Thanks.